Hello guys, this is Jatin Shrivastava and here I am with a new video set on press release, that is an off-page SEO technique that is basically used to provide your visitor and latest information regarding your website. Okay, let's get started. So there is a quick recap what we done earlier. We read about blog and article submission, how to post them, what is the difference between them, the best website to do the same. Okay, let's get started with today's lecture. We have the definition here. So there is a newsworthy piece of information designed to educate your niche audience. We can explain any updating in our organization by using press release because it reaches to audience swiftly compared to other submission. Okay, so it is basically to reach maximum audience in a quick time. We generally used to do the press release. Okay, because let's say for an example, what generally happens when a sale is coming up, for example, let's take an example of Amazon Great India Sale. What generally happens, they're going to do a press release for it such that it should reach to the maximum user and everyone can participate in it. Okay, now we have types, that is paid and free press release. Relevant website are online PNR news, PNR news via or free PNRrelease.com. Okay, what to write? Now latest happening in organization or any upcoming offers or any upcoming meeting. Okay, character limit is 200 to 250. Steps to publish, quite simple and straightforward. Visit their website, verify your contact details, sign up at their platform and post the press release. Benefit: increase traffic, website awareness and backlink. Website awareness is the differentiating point that differentiates from others as well, because it reaches to the maximum audience. There's an awareness that this website provides something new. For example, for my website I can do a press release. Let's say that I will be giving free PDF of all the lectures that I have on this date and this time. Kindly click on this notification bell to get notified. Okay, so this is kind of press release you can do as well. For example, an Amazon website can release a press release that is we have already taken as an example at upcoming fashion sale, up to 50% off, up to 80% off, plus 20% cashback, something like this. A press release should be like something the visitor should click on it and should read about it as well. Okay, so this was about the press release and looking forward to your presence on the practical lecture. Thanks so much.